What if I told you that in just a few years, your job could be on the chopping block? In today's video, we dive into the cold, hard reality of how artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize the job market by 2027. From jobs that are disappearing to new opportunities that are emerging, stay tuned to discover if your career is safe or if it's time to pivot. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date on how AI is reshaping our world. Let's dive in. Jobs most at risk, the survivors and the fallen. First, let's talk about the jobs that are most likely to be taken over by AI. According to the World Economic Forum and Boston Consulting Group, up to 23% of global jobs will be impacted by AI technologies in the next 5 years. Here are the top 5 jobs to be impacted. Telemarketers. With 68% of tasks automatable, AI-powered bots are already replacing telemarketers by providing 24/7 customer support. Statistical assistants. Imagine AI that can analyze complex datasets within seconds. That's why 61% of tasks done by statistical assistants are likely to be automated. Tellers and clerks. With 60% of tasks at risk, the traditional bank teller is being replaced by digital banking solutions. Receptionists. Receptionists, watch out! AI tools like voice recognition and virtual receptionists are set to replace 58% of these jobs. Jobs set to thrive. The rise of new opportunities. But it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs are fading, others are flourishing, thanks to AI like the followings. AI and machine learning specialist. With AI set to create 97 million new jobs by 2027, these specialists are in high demand. Data analysts and scientists. Data is the new oil, and the demand for data analysts will grow by 31%, driven by the need for data-driven decision-making. Sustainability specialists. AI is not just about tech, it's about saving the planet too. Jobs in sustainability and climate tech are expected to surge. AI ethics and governance specialists. As AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, roles dedicated to ensuring ethical use and governance will see significant growth. AI content creators. From writing novels to generating graphics, AI-assisted creativity is here to stay, and new roles are emerging to manage these creative tools. What you can do to prepare. The AI-proof strategy. So what can you do if your job is at risk? Here are 3 strategies to ensure you're AI-proof in the next 5 years. Embrace lifelong learning. With AI reshaping industries, continuous learning is vital. Leverage AI tools. Rather than fearing AI, learn to use AI tools that can make you more efficient in your current role. Network and adapt. Building a strong network and staying adaptable to change will ensure you stay relevant in an AI-driven job market. If you found this video valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends. Comment below on what you think the future holds, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Join us on this journey to discover the future of work with AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.